Hello guys, if you are searching to bypass your iPad 2, then this video is for you. Now you can easily bypass your iPad 2. Just have a look full video and comment below for any error. At first open your browser and type Apple Tech 752. Now you can see Apple Tech 752 in the top. Just press it. Now you can see go to download and download the latest version. After downloading, run as administrator. Remember this, it is totally free, but you need Windows 10 for this. Now after it, open the file. Now plug your iPad with your computer and you can see my iPad is activation lock. Now just after plugging, just press bypass iPad 2, then have a look. If you have any technical error, comment me below and don't forget to subscribe.
It's caught in the crossfire.